Do you often feel overwhelmed with your coaching responsibilities? It's a common sentiment, isn't it? Juggling practices, games, and planning, not to mention personal life. The role of a coach can sometimes feel like a high-wire act. But in the midst of this whirlwind, remember, time management is your safety net. It's the key to maintaining balance and ensuring every task gets its due attention. You are not alone, and there are practical solutions to help manage your time effectively. Effective time management can significantly reduce the stress of coaching and enhance your performance. It's not rocket science, it's all about being smart and strategic. Let's break it down. First and foremost, prioritize tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some require your immediate attention, while others can wait. Take a moment each day to identify what needs to be done right away and what can be put on the back burner. This simple act of prioritization can do wonders for your productivity and peace of mind. Next, delegate. It's a common misconception that a good coach has to do everything themselves. That's simply not true. You have a team, use them. If there are tasks that others can handle, delegate them. This not only frees up your time, but also empowers your team members. Then, avoid multitasking. While it may seem like you're getting more done, multitasking can often lead to mistakes and missed details. It's better to focus on one task at a time, give it your all, and then move on to the next. Quality always trumps quantity. Now let's talk technology. We live in a digital age where there are numerous apps and tools available that can help you manage your time and tasks more effectively. From scheduling apps to project management tools, these can be real game changers. Don't be afraid to use them. Lastly, schedule breaks. Yes, you heard it right. It's crucial to understand that non-stop work can lead to burnout. Regular breaks can help prevent this and keep your mind fresh. Whether it's a quick walk around the block or a 5-minute meditation session, breaks can help you recharge and refocus. Remember, effective time management is about working smarter, not harder. It's about maximizing your efficiency and productivity without sacrificing your well-being. So take these tips, apply them, and watch how they transform not just your coaching career, but your life. To recap, time management is crucial for coaches to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember to prioritize tasks, focusing on what matters most. Delegation is your friend, so don't shy away from it. Multitasking might seem tempting, but it often leads to mistakes, so try to avoid it. Leverage technology to ease your workflow, and don't forget to schedule in breaks. You're only human after all. Start implementing these strategies today and see the difference it can make in your coaching career.